Marami na akong naririnig about their affordable yet premium steaks kaya let's see kung worth it nga ba. Nagpunta kami sa Noma Bacoor, Cavite. Nearest landmark is yung Bacoor City Hall and Mercury Drugstore. This is Escobar's, located lang sila sa 3rd floor ng Nomo. Isa to sa mga most talk about spots dito sa South, lalo na kung steak lover ka. From the outside pa lang, Escobar's already gives that warm and inviting vibe. May modern rustic charm, brick walls, wood accents at cozy lighting. By the way guys, kung may special event kayo like birthdays, meetings, or family gatherings, may function room din sila dito. Ito yung details. Sa menu naman, they've got everything from ribeye, porterhouse, smoked pork ribs to pasta, and even breakfast meals. Ang maganda dito, kahit premium ang quality, hindi mo kailangan gumastos ng sobra. Starting from 285 pesos to 2,420 pesos. Mostly sa mga food nila, good for sharing, kaya naman sulit na sulit. We started sa kanilang porterhouse with rice. This cut comes from the short loin of locally raised Australian cattle, a flavorful part of the beef, offering a mix of strip loin and filet mignon. Juicy and tender, tapos paired pa with buttered corn. The truffle pasta is also good. Pasta is perfectly cooked. Medyo nakulangan lang ako sa truffle flavor. If gusto nyo naman ng medyo spicy, you must try their aglio olio pasta. Sabi nila perfect daw to for brunch, kaya nag-order din kami ng breakfast overload. May bacon, sausage, potato marbles, scrambled egg, and cafe americano. Next is yung kanilang smoked pork ribs. Ang lambot nito guys, full of the bone goodness. Beautifully glazed and perfectly charred on the outside pero super tender sa loob. Salad and steak in one plate. Try their steak overload. One big platter loaded with your favorite grass-fed ribeye steak na cooked to perfection and vinaigrette salad na light at refreshing. Isa din sa mga sulit dito sa Escobar's is yung smoked Angus beef belly platter. This is a 500 grams, 14 to 16 hours smoked Angus beef belly served with corn and carrots. Malambot and melt in your mouth. And last but not the least, we tried din yung grass-fed ribeye. Yung lasa niya rich and buttery with just the right smoky flavor. And because it's grass-fed, mas clean, mas natural yung beef taste, walang umay, walang mantika. For dessert, nag-order kami ng chocolate moist cake, rich chocolate flavor, consistent yung moist texture from top to bottom. This one's a must-try after your steak or pasta meal. And sa drinks naman, nag-ice caramel macchiato lang kami. From their flavorful steaks, mouth-watering pasta, hanggang sa mga sulit platters, panalo at masasabi kong worth it talaga dito sa Escobar's. Kaya if you're looking for an affordable steakhouse in Cavite na may premium taste, cozy ambience at sulit servings, definitely check out Escobar Steakhouse here in Noma Bacoor.